All right, so in part 2 or part 3 of this experiment where we're measuring the density of a solid, we're going to use an irregularly shaped solid, so we need to measure volume by displacement. Now the first thing to do is measure the mass of my little alien unknown solid here. And we get the mass of this alien, just using the mass balance like we saw in earlier videos, is 4.898 grams. Now I need to measure out the volume in my graduated cylinder. So I've pre-filled this graduated cylinder with about 50 milliliters of water. And in the experiment procedure, it says 20 to 30. That would be fine if we were doing it in the lab, but for the video per sake, we had to add a little bit more so you could see it better. Now I need to measure the volume on this, but unlike the last graduated cylinder we used in the first video for this lab, the increments have changed. Now our increments are at 1 mil each, so every milliliter we see a line. This means that we need to record to the 10th place on our graduated cylinder for volume. So we got to put it on the ground again, or on the level, get our eye level to the graduated cylinder, and then try to see what the volume is. And for me, I'm seeing that this volume is about 50.5 milliliters. So our initial volume on the graduated cylinder is 50.5 milliliters. Now I'm going to put my little alien guy into the graduated cylinder. I'm going to slide him down so he doesn't splash too much. And now that he's sunk, I'm going to re-record the volume. The change in the volume is the volume of my little alien here. So looking at this again, I can now see that my volume on this graduated cylinder is 55.0 milliliters. So the volume is 55.0 milliliters. The difference in these two volumes will give me my volume for the little alien solid. And with that and the mass, we can calculate its density.